Hello, and Happy New Year to our Wright State University employees. Campus Recreation is excited about our fitness center renovation, which is opening on Monday, January 12th. During the month of January, we are welcoming all university employees to come visit and try out our new equipment with 5 free passes that will be good through January 31st. These passes will also include access to our fitness classes, which are also included in our memberships. There are 2 ways that you can sign up for 5 free passes. First is come to the recreation desk in the student union, and our staff will be able to assist you. This process might take a few minutes. A faster process would be to follow the steps in this video and do it online before you come. This is also similar to how you can register for any free fitness class. Step 1 would be to go to our website and log in at rec.wright.edu. And click in the top right corner, the sign-in button, and be sure to click this green Wright State SSO login, and where you'll enter your W number and credentials. Once you are here, you will scroll down to our multi-visit passes and click there. For reference, if you wish to buy a membership, you can click on the membership tab, and if you wish to join a group fitness class, you can click here. But for now, we'll focus on the multi-visit passes. Click on the multi-visit pass, and you'll select the Fitness Center Renovation Reopen Pass. Add to cart. It'll ask you to read and accept our waiver, and then simply hit checkout. Lastly, we'll come to our Campus Recreation Center, and you'll be able to use your Write One card to enter, or you can download our Campus Recreation app. And make sure you use these before the end of day on January 31st. And I hope this helps. And any questions, you can contact our recreation desk or myself, Billy Willis, or email rec@wright.edu. Thank you, and I wish you all a great, happy, and healthy semester. Thank you.